So I thought I'd give a brief update. As you can tell by the time lapse, I've been working on the electrical, which was not an immediate goal. It was a bit more of a long-term thing, and then the government shutdown happened and I was furloughed. And I thought, what better timing? Oh, and by the way, they're going to install your building. So I was here. I got to film all of that, got to see all the installation, plus I got to work and mow. And then still had time off. I called my buddy Tom. I was like, hey, I still got time off. You want to wire the building up? Sure, we did that. Still working on that. I'm taking my time, enjoying some of the downtime that I have and doing some other stuff. I got a new computer, or ordered a new computer, because of the whole Windows 10 thing. That was the thing that was on my checklist. But also did some other little maintenance stuff. So in recent adventures of closing chapters on family related stuff, I came upon a box, more of a drawer, like it was a stackable wooden filing cabinet thing. But I opened it up, and inside I found these guys. These are explosion-proof light fixtures. In the old days, you would put a bulb in, the metal cage would go around it, and if it were an incandescent bulb, if the bulb popped, exploded, then the glass jar would contain all of the parts. This would be used in areas where there may be flammable gases or liquids, or sensitive stuff, biological, little bit of, you don't want little glass shards in. Anyway, I remember grabbing them and I was thinking to myself, hey, I remember 3. I don't know if I have 4. And I thought that would be fun to put out here under the lean-tos. Well, there were 3 still in the box. I have the 4th box, and then the 4th one was assembled. I have no idea where they came from, but it's just one of those legacy things that I know where it came from, and they're cool. So I'm gonna put them in. This camera's already recording it, so I'm gonna put the first one up there, kind of center it up, and then space the other one out down there. Do that on both sides, and then we have to run, yay, more MC cable, which means I have to go buy more. So I wanted to wrap up the episode on the electrical for the shop by demonstrating that I got lights. So we don't have official power to the meter. This is running off of the Jackery LED lights. And these are the bay lights. You can't even see the Edison aspect of it from here because it's just so glowy and bright. But those are 100 watts a piece. 1600 lumens is what the box says for both of those. And that's some pretty good light, considering that it is that dark outside. And that's giving me a nice wash. Cool. That's how dark it is outside. What time is it? I don't know, I'm using my phone. It's 7 o'clock, I think. What we found with the inside lights is they're actually brighter than this. The Jackery only puts out 106 volts. So when you put 110 volts into it, with, say, a generator, which is a little more, it's got a little more oomph, it gets brighter. But that's pretty good. I'll take that any day of the week. Still got a mess to clean up. We've got some shadows. We got some hot spots. Oh. Okay, so part of it pulling the 106 volts is it looks like it's using more power than it is, or something along those lines. Anyway, we've got some hot spots. The lights up here can actually swivel, and I can redirect this a little bit, only in one direction. I can't pull it away from the wall, but I can pull on the side. I can pull it front, back. But dang, I have to hit the button again. You get the point. We got lights. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stick around. To the new folks, thanks for coming by. And subscribing, that's really nice. The past couple of weeks have been really good on numbers. And before this turns off again, see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.